will be in electronics, so we will be also look at that.
And in addition to vocational training, we also have a very large scholarship called Mohanty Advani Scholarship, which is after a founder. We support about 500 students every year who are engineering or diploma students. So they've entered engineering, but their families can't support their education. So we find such students, we kind of ensure that their education is completed. They have to be academically good. And then 500 such students every year we support as part of the scholarship fund, and then we try to absorb them as well, but more often than not they get opportunities elsewhere as well and they become earning members of the family. So that's our basic focus.
Our plan is we have a market share of close to 18% here, one of the largest in the country. We want to take it to a formidable 25% plus in next 2 years.
Good.
Also, very importantly, investment in product categories. For example, nowhere in the country portable air conditioner sells very well. So we will be taking some efforts in bringing in advance, and so the product category, the promotion, the pricing, the channel, and the process. This is where our investment will go.
The product development, my colleague, we listen to the voice of customers. So we have several touch points, and we actively engage with customers. One at the point of purchase, how he behaves and what kind of questions they're asking. And also we have a research engagement activities where we seek out to the customer and ask them on a periodical basis what is expected from air conditioner and what are their priorities, or what is the most important aspect they want from air conditioner, and what more we can add it. So it's a plus. Also our sales team, our service team gives regular feedback from consumers. For example, they will attend a service call, and customer may be asking, for example, they will say we don't want the light or the illuminated display on an air conditioner. It is irritating during the night. So we have provided us an option which we are switching. Like that we give feedbacks and
so we understand the pain points of the consumer. हम समझते हैं कि उनके क्या तकलीफें हैं, and then we launch products जो उनकी तकलीफों को solve कर सकें. जैसे हॉट एंड कोल्ड एसी इसके लिए लॉन्च किया है क्योंकि हीटर में विंटर में बहुत हीटर यूज़ करते हैं. हीटर का द क्लाइमेट इज़ नॉट वेरी गुड, इट्स ऑल्सो वेरी हाई एनर्जी एफिशिएंसी, तो वो एनर्जी एफिशिएंट है ही नहीं हीटर. तो उसकी वजह से हमने हॉट एंड कोल्ड एसी लॉन्च किया कि अगर एक 2-in-1 हो जाए कि समर में ठंडा करे और विंटर में गर्म करे. तो वैसे वी लॉन्च दीज प्रोडक्ट्स. हेवी ड्यूटी इज ऑल्सो बिकॉज विद द हाई एम्बियंट कंडीशंस इट बिकम्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट for the AC to cool, and heavy duty is the technology which can cool you even on this high ambient. जब तापमान भयंकर हो जाता है, बहुत गर्म हो जाता है, तो heavy duty AC ऐसे काम करेगी जैसे आपको इमीडिएटली ठंडा करे. इसलिए हमारा वैल्यू प्रोपोजिशन है फास्ट कूलिंग AC, क्योंकि ये स्टैंड करते हैं और हमारा पूरा R&D उसी पे फोकस होता है कि हम कंज्यूमर की लाइफ कैसे बेहतर कर सकें.
Another question, like the temperature in Delhi cannot be compared with North India. It's cooler. Do you think
Heavy duty as a technology may not be very relevant for the Northeast, but things like convertible cooling are relevant, where you can control your power savings by controlling your cooling capacity. So your 1.5 ton AC can become 1 ton, can become 1.2 ton, can become 0.8 ton by just pressing a button. So like right now it might be raining and I don't need a 1.5 ton AC. I just press the button twice, it becomes a 1 ton AC.
Okay. So who are your competitors in Northeast? Like same thing, many people will like to know. Like Samsung has AI, the other products also has AI, LG also has AI. How your product is different from other products, other brands?
See, there are always competition. What is available in all India is also available here. So you know the top players. Our differentiation is, like I mentioned, the QRD, the quality, reliability, and durability. Because that is what we deliver. We are the experts in quality. We are not a generalist. Our product goes through the stringent test, 180 test, and not only the product is tested, even the component is tested. That is the better part of it. Most of the brands test the product when it goes outside, but we test even the incoming components. It goes through a torturous test, stringent conditions that delivers the quality, reliability, and the durability over a long time. That is what Girish had mentioned, that which gives the word of mouth and the trust customer expects a trust, no, from a specialist. That is what differentiates them.